Off this great room in the cottage, we do have 3 bedrooms. Over here being the master bedroom, and over here being a smaller bunk bedroom, which is great for the kids. They can hang out here, be close to mom and dad when they're in the master, and they can also view the TV and the fireplace. We didn't update too much. Again, we painted the beams, we painted everything a fresh white color, and we replaced the bedding because the bedding was looking really shabby and no one wants to stay in a place where there isn't good bedding. For the second bedroom at the cottage, it is the master bedroom, which is the biggest bedroom at the cottage. It is great because it looks out onto the water. We really took the color scheme of the big, beautiful blue water that you see out the window and brought it into the room by changing up the bedding to blue stripes. Also added a headboard out of seagrass material that we found on clearance, and also picked up 2 lamps from a thrift store that we painted navy blue to bring in more of that blue vibe. For the practicality sake of the room, we added 4 large hooks across the wall to hang up those wet towels and swimsuits when you come in from the beach, and then also put 2 benches to drop your luggage on so you're not putting them on the floor. Overall, this master bedroom went through a big overhaul and now just feels way more inviting for anyone coming to stay. Top of the stairs here, we do have the 3rd bedroom. We ended up refreshing this as well. We added a new mattress, we added new bed linens, and kind of made it a green color scheme with some bird artwork. And we put some hats on the wall and binoculars. And just because this bedroom is at the back, and we thought it kind of felt foresty, and it's a great bird watching bedroom, so we kind of incorporated that theme into this bedroom and made it unique. And I think it makes it one of the best bedrooms in the cottage.